Hello Justify family. Today we are talking about DeepSeek AI, a super smart computer brain that is completely free, fast and great at solving tricky problems. Let's learn what makes it special and what makes it different from the ChatGPT. But first of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it for more fun tech breakdowns. Now it's time to explore DeepSeek AI. Let's jump into it. DeepSeek is a free AI tool made by a company in China called DeepSeek Incorporation. It's like ChatGPT, but it is smaller in size and awesome for tasks like math, coding, or writing. Think of it as your helpful robot friend. It was first launched in March 2023. It is best at solving problems, writing code in bilingual answers, for example, English and Chinese, and in the future they are planning to support multiple languages as well. The most important thing is that it uses less power than ChatGPT, which is good for the planet. DeepSeek is like a speedy race car for quick answers, and ChatGPT is more like a big truck, great for long chats, but it is a bit slower and a bit pricier as well. DeepSeek uses a clever trick. It has a team of mini brains inside. Each mini brain is an expert of something like math, coding, or languages. They actually work together to give you fast and accurate answers. It read 10 trillion words from the books, websites, and code. It actually practices with the real users to get smarter over time. You can actually ask it to solve homework problems, write code, or even help design a website. It's like a Google, a tutor, a coder, all in one place. Let's compare these two AI giants in one go. DeepSeek is free and open, while ChatGPT has free and paid plans as well. The speed of DeepSeek is actually lightning fast, while the speed of ChatGPT is a bit slow. DeepSeek is actually best for mathematics, writing code, and many other stuff, while the ChatGPT is best for writing stories, chats, emails, and many other stuff as well. DeepSeek can communicate in English and Chinese language, while ChatGPT can only speak in English. DeepSeek wins for quick technical tasks. ChatGPT wins for creative stories or visual chats. Pick the one that best fits your needs. Here's who loves the DeepSeek AI. Students can actually get homework help in just a matter of seconds. Programmers can actually write clean code without any sort of bugs. Designers can use DeepSeek AI to brainstorm ideas for logos or websites. Obviously, the businesses are also going to use the DeepSeek AI because it is cheaper than ChatGPT for reports and emails. Yeah, it's actually true. Even your grandma can use it. It's that simple. The team at DeepSeek is currently working on image understanding, describing a picture, and it will write about it. It will have better languages, more support for Spanish, Hindi, Urdu, and many other languages. It would have robot buddies. Future robots might use DeepSeek to talk with you. But remember guys, it's not perfect yet. Sometimes it gets confused with super long stories or super tricky questions. So guys, do you want to try DeepSeek? Actually, you can. It's totally free. Check the link in the description below. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what would you ask DeepSeek as your first question. That's it for this video. I will see you in the future videos. Bye.